ह्या वर्साचे फिफा फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप रशियेन जाता. बिरेस्तारा सावन फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कपाक सुरवात जातली. गोंयांतूय ह्या वर्ल्ड कपाचे वारे झळकुपाक लागला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्सिल रॉड्रिगीस.
And sometimes a team plays collective football, a real total game, and wins the game.
So, Doctor, tell us, is it the love of Goa towards Portuguese that Portugal is the favorite team, or towards the Brazil Samba? What it exactly is?
Well, Brazil Samba is the one that has always delighted the world. And when Brazilians play the Samba football, there can be nothing more beautiful in football than the Brazilian Samba. So that's something that really delights. As far as the love for Portuguese team is concerned, we know that Goa was under Portuguese rule for 450 years. There's a great association between Goa and Portugal. It's just not even a century since Portugal has left this country, this state rather. And definitely the ties with Portugal are there. Cristiano Ronaldo is such a great player. He is really adored and worshipped by so many people here in the state. So that love for Portugal remains.
And the reason for you, being a doctor, to change your clinic into a football arena?
Well, my clinic that caters to broken hearts or diseased hearts, right, but I have a heart for football. It's a passion. See, medicine is my profession, but football is my passion. You must have a different passion from your profession, otherwise life becomes boring. So you must really have varied interests in life. And for me, football is something that really endears to me. And after I finish my day's work, which is around 12:31 in the morning every day, I would sit and watch the European football, the leagues around the world. So in fact, the leagues also around the world are timed many a times. Champions Cup, Europa Cup, Spanish League, so many other leagues that I see in my time when I really relax at 1 a.m. in the morning. So that's a real relaxation for me, football. Goa is the land of football. There is football in every Goan's blood, whether they are professional footballers or footballers who would even just kick the ball. They consider football as a sort of a state pride, and that's why we have football declared as the state sport by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar, and who also formed the Goa Football Development Council for the promotion and development of this game in the state. As you have seen, we have a robust grassroots program that extends to the length and breadth of the state. We have around 5,000 trainees involved in training at the grassroots level. And we have also an academy for boys between the ages of 12 to 15 years. And our academy boys are doing very well. So spread all over Goa, these football centers will definitely be having lots of programs besides their daily training schedule before the World Cup. From today night onwards or today evening onwards, you will see that Goans everywhere will be buzzing only with the word World Cup. And as we all know, Goans like to support Portugal, Goans like to support Brazil. For me, I am a very avid Brazilian supporter.